Want to get unlimited free business emails with Gmail? In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and completely free method to create unlimited professional business email addresses that work directly with your Gmail account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up custom email IDs like you@yourbusiness.com without paying for expensive email hosting. All you'll need are three key components: a domain name, an email hosting solution, and a host email address. And the best part is that hosting part is totally free. That is because we're going to use Cloudflare. Now let's get started step by step. The first thing we need is a domain name. This will be your professional identity on the internet, the official name that appears on your website and your email address. To get one, go to domain registrar like GoDaddy. The process is same for most platforms, so don't worry if you're using another site. Once you're there, search for the name you want, for example, your brand or company name. You'll see a list of available options and you can pick the one you like best. I'll choose one that looks good. Add it to my cart. Now you want to complete the purchase. For that, go ahead and enter all of your payment details. And that's it. Now you have your own domain name ready to go. The next thing we need is an email hosting solution. For that, I'm going to use Cloudflare. Cloudflare is amazing because it offers free plan and is super beginner friendly. It's easy to use, secure, and only takes a few steps to connect with your domain. Open a new tab and search for Cloudflare. Once you're on their site, click sign up and create your account. If you already have one, simply log in by entering your credentials. If you're signing up, make sure to enter all the details properly. Once you have been logged in, from your dashboard, select Free Plan and add your new domain to Cloudflare. Now that we've set up Cloudflare, we need to connect the domain to it. On the left sidebar, click on DNS. This is where we'll replace our domain's current name server with Cloudflare's name servers. It might sound technical, but it's actually really simple. In Cloudflare, after adding your domain, it'll show you two name servers. Copy the first one, go to GoDaddy account, find your domain's DNS settings, and paste it there. Then go back to Cloudflare, copy the second name server, and paste that one in GoDaddy. Save your changes, and you're done. Now go back to your Cloudflare dashboard and click Continue. Keep clicking through setup steps until you reach the final screen where it confirms your domain is added. You might see a note saying it can take up to 24 hours for your domain to fully connect. Sometimes it's instant. Sometimes it takes a bit of time. Once everything is connected, your domain will be active in Cloudflare. Now we'll move on to the most important part, setting up the business email. Inside Cloudflare, look at the left-hand menu and find email or email routing. Click on it. The first thing you'll see is destination address. This is the Gmail address where all your business emails will arrive. You can use your existing Gmail account or create a new one if you prefer. Click on Add Destination Address, type in Gmail and click Save. Once that's done, scroll down to Routing Rules. This is where you will create your custom email address. Make sure the catch-all feature is enabled. This lets you receive mail sent to any address under your domain. Now click Add Rule and type your custom email address like info@yourbusiness.com. In the destination box, choose your Gmail address. That's where the email will go. Click Save Rule and you'll see your new business email address appear on the list. Now go back to Overview tab and check your setup. You should see that your routing status is syncing and your DNS is properly configured. Once it's active, you're ready to start using your new business email. If you want to create more addresses, just repeat these same steps. Cloudflare allows you to make up to 200 custom email addresses for free, all forwarding to your single Gmail account. You can create one for each department, employee, or purpose, all managed in one inbox. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.